And what else did we get in the mail? Unboxing day. And what has my channel been about recently, the last 2 weeks? My leg injury. So, I've been buying stuff online, bandages and stuff like that, because some of this stuff you can't get locally. But I think I talked to y'all the other day about that Adaptec. Didn't know what it was. Well, gosh, this is like 50. This will last forever, and I'm not even using this anymore. So this got here a little late, but that's okay. These are really good when if you have a wound, and I'm no doctor or nurse, I'm just telling you what worked for me. But the hospital put this on there so bandages wouldn't stick, and it kept it moist. But after a period of time, you don't want it moist anymore. So I had one left over that we got from the hospital and thought I would order some more. But since I've quit using these, the wound has really, seems like it's healing faster now. It's doing what it's supposed to be doing. So I stopped this. So these will just go into my first aid kit. This one came from Walmart. Deborah put the order in for this because I was preoccupied. And but I talked about this the other day. Juven. This is a wound healing nutrition drink. And I was only drinking one of these, and it seems like that next day it started healing better and faster, my leg. So it says to drink 2 a day, so I have upped it to 2 a day. And they're a lot cheaper from Walmart than they were from, well, they're cheaper at Walgreens than Amazon, I think. And this is 1 week's supply. So, and this was probably like $40-something. It's expensive, but I think it has actually helped in my healing too. It comes in a big packet, and there's a lot of product in there. It's when I'm dumping it into my water bottle, I'm just like, oh my gosh. So, anyway, glad I got this, and I will finish that drink. I will finish that because I think it helps so much. And that's all of the stuff I ordered. I do have, might as well just show you that too. Hang on right there. These I ordered, but I haven't done anything with because I think I ordered it right before I got hurt. This is a new phone mount. Can you believe it? I don't know if it's gonna work because I'm pretty picky about what's on my dash or around my dash. I don't want anything on my mirrors on my windows so I don't know if this one is gonna work or not. But this, after looking for a while, this is the one I went with, so we'll see. Not really sure how. Oh, cool. So I can put my phone on. Oh, I'm filming with my GoPro right now, so I can do this. And it will hold it, and guess what? It won't fall out. And on the mount itself, you can turn it to landscape. So, and I will put a link to all these down below if you're interested in any of them. The Juven, the Adaptec, this. So we'll see about mounting this. I just hope it's not too tall. Another thing that was cool that I liked was the adjustable arm. So, kind of excited about looking at installing this. But it's going to be a little bit yet because I don't want to sit in my hot truck in the mornings doing that. So, but I'm excited that I have a solution now, and my phone's gonna not fall off the dashboard. Alright, this one's gonna be iffy. Let me get something. So this is I'll leave a link in the description for this too. This is a Yamaha, and it's a small guitar. It's a travel guitar is what I call it. But one of the great features of this guitar is that it has a pickup. So you can make this an electric or louder. I'm not into loud guitars, but sometimes you do want to get a little louder. I haven't played since I've been hurt. So that's kind of been put on hold. But let me get this off the table. Get this off the table. So, I've not been able to use this amplifier. Let me see what it's called here. I've not been able to use this amplifier. Deborah bought this amplifier for me several years ago. Used from somebody we know, and we forgot to get the AC adapter for it. It does run off of batteries, but I'm gonna take the batteries out or one at least, because I want to see. I got an adapter is what I got. Now this is the second adapter that I've ordered. The first one I ordered, they said it worked with this amp, and it didn't. So I have tried once again to order this one, and this one had good reviews, so let's see if this one works. Plug it in, plug it in. Okay, the light doesn't come on. Let's plug this in. Let's see. Let's turn the volume down first, so. And let's plug it in. Maybe I should turn it on before. Hey, I have a light. Cool. Maybe I finally got it, the right one. Hey, hey. Got lights. Let's see, turn up the volume. I'll have to learn. I'll have to learn how to work the amplifier now. And it's another great thing about this guitar is has a built-in tuner. So, I mean, it is. I love it, love it, love it. Let me tune this and then play a song. Nah, probably not. New strings. And this probably needs to be adjusted for some type of tone or blending. Let's see. reverb. Yay, I got the amplifier working. Now take all those batteries out.